Hello everybody, welcome to again to the ETABS and SAFE course. Let's define the earthquake load and the two cases, static and dynamic. But to do the analysis of earthquake load, the ETABS work with each slab as a point structure, like here. So ETABS to do the calculation and represent the slab as point and each story. So we must tell ETABS that in each story we have this point or centroid. So we want to tell ETABS this thing, we want to define a diaphragm for each story. This diaphragm decrease the degree of freedom and help the ETABS to do the calculation of lateral load, earthquake and load. To define this diaphragm, we want to define a diaphragms for each story. First of all, we go to define diaphragm. We need 16 diaphragm according to the number of story. We have 16 stories, so we must to define 16 diaphragm. To define this diaphragm, we press here. We define rigid diaphragms. We define semi-rigid diaphragm if we have many opening and project. If the opening, the area of opening equal to more than 40% of the plan area. Here we have one opening, so we define 16 diaphragm. We will go now to each story to assign each diaphragm for each story. We go to story 1, we select the story, we press right click and we go to assignment diaphragm. We put here D1. We press OK. Then we go to the next story, right click, D2. The same thing, the same work for other story. So we'll continue to define the diaphragms. We are in story 12, so we put D12. So now we terminate from defining the diaphragm. We can show the diaphragms. We go to here to check to display and diaphragm. We check diaphragm extent and we press OK. We can show this point that we talked on it before. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.